Spika wa mbunge nene Moses Wetangula niwakulya nzama ya kusakua makamishena kuseuvya nzama ya mivaka na usakuani. Iebc makalaate kumasakua andwasu ni wathingilila kana nzama yati emiyo ya katiba ni yailite kuthukuma ivindani iseo ya usakuani na kutwaisya iseso ya kwikia mivaka kula yailite nzama ino na ilaani ya amemba kenda nele nasakuiwe ni President William Ruto na kuithwa kithitu wa kwambililia yithiwa iyolota andu makulika mwanyani wa mwene kivila vamwe na amemba ma Iebc lina musangi na mauvo.
Onena Spika wa bunge akati Moses Wetangula nuwetie kana venna vatawanza mayonyovani na mivaka Iebc kwitha yuthu kumaweta kwithwa kwa nzama yenzele kuseuvya takutamba ikite mauthu kumikivathukanyo. Uneni wa Spika kwa tamba ni mutongoi wala inge bungeni Kimani Ichung'wah.
Honorable members, I want to end here by inviting all of us to work patriotically, to work hard and ensure we give this country laws and legislations that help the country move forward. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its laws protect people. So every laws we pass must be there to protect people.
Means the new Iebc selection panel is now already sworn in. I saw them being sworn in yesterday by the Honorable Chief Justice. As they recruit the commissioners for Iebc, we do hope that the new commission will work fast to ensure that all the by-elections that have been pending are carried on and we have a full house.
Wetangula ni umise moloto kwa mutongoi wala ingira mutongoi wala nini bungeni kukalaata kuseuvya kwa kamitize kuminanyanyasi ya bunge ila sena atheli enzeni wa sikala mbitusi ya bunge
2 weeks ago, I saw in the papers that there is panic as Speaker Weta reconstitutes committees. I want to make it very clear. The Speaker does not constitute any committees. The Speaker has no role in the constitution of committees. It is entirely the duty of the majority and minority leadership. And as was indicated by the clerk, I want to hereby direct the majority leader and the minority leader to move in earnest and reconstitute the 18 committees whose life has come to an end with the last session, so that by the time we reopen on 11th, you now get ready to bring the process to house business so that we can process and have new leadership or continued leadership in the committees, taking into account, as you said, performance, regular attendance of committee meetings, and the industry to which you put in those attendances.
I want to request the leadership to be very fair in reconstituting those committees and make sure that members who have the competence to serve in those committees are put in those committees, Mr. Speaker. And we should also look at the performance of members in their respective committees. Attendance will be used as a yardstick, how members attended, Mr. Speaker, and we await for your full communication when we come back to the House. But I want to assure members that we will be fair to everyone and everyone will get a right of representing people in different committees.
Kuripoti ya Vlingo wa mauvo Nelina Musangi.